The Railway Series by Rev. W. Awdry. The Railway Series is a collection of books written by Rev. Awdry, focusing on the adventures of various anthropomorphic trains and their interactions on the fictional island of Awdry. Here is a brief summary of the series and some of the key learnings from the books. 1. The 3 railway engines. This book introduces the readers to the 3 main characters, Edward, Gordon, and Henry. Each train faces different challenges, but they learn the importance of teamwork and perseverance. 2. Thomas the Tank Engine. The book revolves around Thomas, a cheeky little tank engine who often gets into trouble. Through his misadventures, Thomas learns valuable lessons about responsibility, honesty, and the importance of listening to others. 3. James the Red Engine. James, a proud and arrogant engine, learns the importance of humility and the consequences of his actions. The book emphasizes the significance of being kind, helpful, and respectful towards others. 4. Tank Engine Thomas Again. This book focuses on Thomas's determination to prove himself as a really useful engine. It teaches readers the importance of believing in oneself and the power of perseverance in achieving goals. 5. Troublesome Engines. In this installment, the readers are introduced to more characters, including the mischievous twins, Bill and Ben. The book highlights the importance of cooperation, problem-solving, and finding common ground in resolving conflicts. 6. Henry the Green Engine. Henry, a tender engine, faces various challenges due to his fear of the rain. The book teaches readers about overcoming fear, facing challenges head-on, and the importance of having a positive mindset. 7. Toby the Tram Engine. Toby, an old tram engine, faces the possibility of being replaced by a bus. The book emphasizes the value of tradition, adaptation, and the importance of embracing change. 8. Gordon the Big Engine. Gordon, a large and proud engine, learns the importance of patience, humility, and the need to consider others' feelings. The book encourages readers to be considerate and understanding towards others. These are just a few examples from the Railway series, which consists of many more books. The series as a whole promotes valuable life lessons such as teamwork, responsibility, perseverance, humility, adaptability, and kindness. It has captivated generations of children and continues to be cherished for its engaging stories and meaningful teachings. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Also hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's embark on a journey of knowledge together.